Most people get banking wrong by assuming all banks are the same, but Zions Bank stands out in some surprising ways. Today, I'll walk you through my experience with Zions Bank so you know exactly what to expect before opening an account. First, let's talk accessibility. Zions Bank is primarily located in the western U.S. with branches in Utah, Idaho, Arizona, and a few other states. If you live in these areas, you get the benefit of local branch access, which is something many big national banks don't offer. For digital banking, the mobile app is intuitive, supports mobile deposits, bill pay, and account alerts. Most people get this wrong. They think a regional bank means outdated digital services, but Zions competes well in this area. Next, accounts and fees. Zions offers checking and savings accounts with competitive interest rates on savings, but the rates aren't the absolute highest in the market. They do have standard fees, but many can be waived with minimum balances or qualifying activities. The surprising truth, many customers avoid smaller banks due to fear of fees, but Zions is transparent, and fee avoidance is straightforward if you understand the requirements. Customer service is another strong point. From my experience, Zions Bank staff were responsive and helpful both in branch and through phone support. That's a big difference compared to national banks, where wait times can be long and service feels impersonal. They also offer loans, mortgages, and investment products. The lending process is smooth and rates are competitive. For example, their home loan options have flexible terms and lower closing costs in certain regions. In conclusion, Zions Bank is a solid choice if you live in the western U.S. and value a mix of local service and modern digital tools. Most people get this wrong by assuming regional banks lack quality, but Zions combines strong customer service, solid digital access, and competitive products. Subscribe for more honest banking reviews so you can make informed financial decisions without surprises.